Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 67 Chevy 2 or Nova. Man, she is sweet. Now, it does have SS badging on it. It's got 327 badging on it, but underneath that hood is a 350 crate motor. It's got a 4-barrel sitting on top. You can see the cowl hood looking sweet. The paint job on it is phenomenal. You guys know cars, you know if you're gonna paint a car black, you better be a good body man, and the guy who did this was a great body man. Straight as can be. We got great looking chrome here, the grill's looking good, the surrounds around the headlights are looking sweet. As you look down the side, she is beautiful, man, straight as an arrow. And check out the interior here. Man, look at that. Bucket seats, center console. Love the steering wheel. We got a great looking dash in there. All the chrome in there is looking good. We got some aftermarket gauges. Looks like an aftermarket radio in there. All the upholstery looks brand new. Just like 1967 in there. Headliner's in good shape. This car is absolutely beautiful. I guarantee you a showstopper. You pull into any car show with this baby and you are gonna draw a crowd. Love the stance on it too. It's got a super stance on it. Got that back end up just a little bit. You can see all the trim back here also looking sweet. She is beautiful. Get in the trunk here. Look at that trunk. Brand new in there, baby. We got a spare tire in there, a jack. Got great looking covering there on the trunk floor. Always look underneath the mat whenever you're looking at a car. Very important. You can see the paint job on the bottom side of the deck lid's looking good. Always look at the lips here where that skin on the deck lid comes around here to the frame. Those all look great. As you look down the passenger side, straight as can be. Just a beautiful car. And don't forget, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this car, so you know we did our homework before we got this baby to the shop. And then the first thing we do to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift. That way we can take pictures, do our video, and do an inspection on the car. So Tom can tell you all about it when you call him at 248-974-9513. And don't forget, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week. So pick up the phone and call him right now. So if you want to see about 100 pictures of this car, there's a link right there in the YouTube channel. You can hit that link. You can check out the pictures of this car, and you can check out the rest of our inventory. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the little bell button so we can send you a notification whenever we get a new car in. All right, let's take the little 67 for a ride. Man, she is sounding awesome. I love the exhaust on this baby. Driving great too. What a sweet little ride. Now, there's not very many of these left out there, guys. Most of these little cars got turned into drag cars, especially ones that are as nice as this one. Now, we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you and let you know exactly how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now, this car does not have power steering or power brakes, but she steers great and the brakes are working awesome. We can also help you out with financing if you need help with financing. We can either do that online on our website, or we can have the banker give you a phone call and you can do all that right on the phone. Now Tom's going to take care of all the paperwork for you. You don't have to do a thing. Just give him a call at 248-974-9513. You can hear everything sounding great on this thing. You can see the speedo's working, the windshield wipers are wiping. We got an aftermarket radio here. We got our air conditioning controls. We got some aftermarket gauges here. I mean, everything about this little ride is sweet. And then of course, she is black and beautiful. Now we're very close to the airport here. So if you'd like to fly in and check us out, we'd love to have you. Now, we have got a hotel right there by the airport if you need to spend the night, no problem whatsoever. And a lot of guys can fly in the morning and fly right back out that afternoon, no problem whatsoever. A lot of people do that. If you'd like to drive in on the weekend, just give Tom a call, let him know you're coming. We do have a lot of cars in stock. We have two locations here. We have our big storage facility that's about 1.5 miles from here. Then our main building's right here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now we're gonna put this baby up in the air right now and show you just how nice the bottom side is. All right, we're underneath this 67 now, and you can see it's beautiful under here. You can see it's got a brand new tank, brand new straps. Everything under here is looking sweet. Brand new tailpipes. Now they painted just like the bottom 2 feet of them, probably just because they wanted them to kind of go away when you look under the car. We've got 355 gear in here. It is Posi. It is a 10 bolt. You can see it's been all restored, looking good. Brand new U-bolts, brand new bolts, looks like brand new shocks, brand new brake lines, brand new fuel line. I see a lot of new parts in the brakes. Plus the guys will take the brakes apart, make sure they're on good working order. You can see that they painted up the drive shaft. That looks nice. Flowmaster mufflers here. We've got new parking brake cables here also. I see new bolts up here in the front of the springs. We got frame ties here looking good. And look at the floorboards on this 1967. All cleaned up, looking good. Back side of the rockers look good here. Cross members all painted up, looking good. The transmission is the 78 model, turbo 350. We got a chrome pan on here. We got a deep pan on this crate motor here too. This is a GM crate motor. There's a tag right here, it tells you that. It's got the part number and everything on it. We've got disc brakes up front, drilled and slotted rotors. Looks like we got some new tie rod ends here also. These are the Aerospace Components calipers here. Everything under here is looking sweet. Looks like aluminum radiator here. Looking good under here. Chrome on the bottom of the front bumper, even looking good. Looks like brand new tires. Looks like brand new American Racing wheels, and you can see those aluminum calipers right there showing them babies off. 205 60/15s up front. Rocker molding's looking good. On every car you buy, you need to look at this pinch weld right here. This tells the story on the car. Feel the back side of the rocker. Look at the braces on the floor. Everything looking sweet here. These frame ties have been all welded in, looking good. We got 225 60/15s out back. Again, the rims look like they're brand new. This is just one gorgeous little 67. Now let's get under the hood and check out that crate motor. All right, under the hood here, we got that crate 350 with an Edelbrock dual plane intake on it. It's got a 650 Edelbrock 4-barrel sitting on top of that. We got real nice looking aluminum valve covers. You can see that the alternator's all polished up and chromed up. The bracketry's chromed up. We got a aftermarket AC unit here. It's all polished up. We got Wilwood Master there, all polished up. You see the shock towers here are all polished up also. That aluminum radiator here, it's got an AC Delco battery in it. We got a shut off here. We suggest that you shut off your battery when you're not driving it, just for safety. Firewall's nice and clean on this thing. The inner fenders are nicely painted. Looks like the hinges have been restored. Bottom side of this little cowl hood also is all cleaned up and painted. And of course, this is a steel hood. Guys, this is one beautiful little 67. So give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.